right, jerks and jerkettes, where are we going?
Somewhere.
We're going Parrots. We're going to Parrot Bay.
We are?
Yes.
Is that where we're driving to?
Yeah, that's where we're going to drive to. Yeah. So we're going to go for a drive, and then we're going to go for a hike, and then we're going to go to the splash pad.
Now all we gotta do is
First
go
we got to
to
drive
a
there. What are we going to do? Roll there? Kind of, I guess, on 4 wheels. Anyways, we're going hiking!
Peace!
Making the boy pump gas. Oh, you're gonna pick which way we go? Well, let's go this way.
Okay.
Are we just gonna walk into a fence?
No.
Apparently. Hello, beautiful.
No.
All right, you guys ready? We stay on the path.
That's a really
I'm gonna squish them until
snake
they're
bite.
dead.
Disgusting. Can you wash your or wipe your hands off?
And don't rub bum on Dad. No.
Go ahead.
It's
what if you're
very
allergic
wet.
No, what if Dad...
This kind of path, not a path through there. We will get ticks.
There's a path. I'm not even wearing socks or
That's
pants.
just back
There you go.
parking.
No, it doesn't loop around, I don't think.
life jacket?
Let's go this way.
Oh, those just Legos.
Oh, here's what we can see.
Legos.
We can see dragonflies and
touch those.
cranes and yeah, don't. Why?
Well, they
They're
poisonous?
endangered.
Oh yeah,
They're
don't
leopard
eat them.
frogs.
You can catch them, just don't eat them.
Grace,
No, we
stop
don't have
yelling.
anything.
Grace, stop yelling. You're gonna scare everything off.
You don't want to try to catch a snake and chase someone with it.
All right, this is the first way we're turning.
That's what.
We found our first fork in the road and we went forking right. Kate, get out of stuff before you get poison ivy or something stupid.
That was a branch.
Okay, come here. You yell one more time. Where are we going?
We're going home.
No, home. And if you're leading, you better remember which way it is to get back because we don't want to get lost in the woods. I don't think this loops around.
Just follow the
Okay.
trail back.
Okay, we'll just follow the trail back.
Until it
I got an
splits into
idea.
another fork and we go
I got an idea.
What?
We could make some letters wherever we go.
Well, not the whole way. Do like every turn or something.
Yeah, we should do that.
Okay, we'll make markers to find our way back. That's actually really smart. As long as it's not breadcrumbs, right?
Yeah.
Grace, are you leaving breadcrumbs? I told you not to leave breadcrumbs. Grace, did you leave breadcrumbs?
No, God.
Why not?
a path.
No, it isn't.
Why not?
Because it just leads.
I told her to leave breadcrumbs.
Come on.
Did you leave breadcrumbs?
No.
Why not?
Guys, we're not.
Because we're not Hansel and Gretel.
Guys, no, please.
Don't listen.
We're going.
Thank you. Somebody's going to get ticks.
Follow me,
Cats.
Dad. You'll be safe.
Look, I already got an ant. Get off me, ant.
Look, you'll be safe with me, Dad.
Okay, keep walking, please.
Down, please.
Falling down trees.
I am right. The baby, Daddy gave himself a silver flower this baby. Let's just walk on.
Where's the coyote? Where's the coyote?
What? There's a what? A bark? Bark all over the place. Look at all these trees. Ah, bad dad joke. Keep walking. Dun dun. Dun. What the fuck is that?
Is this where you can smell it? Wait, guys.
Oh, what this? Oh, you know what the binocular thing was for? It's a bird observatory thing. You bring your binoculars in and you look for birds. Hey?
We should go over there. No, because this is swamp.
And none of us have poppers, and you have shirts on.
Grace is wearing.
Well, you probably have to walk.
Can we eat here?
We probably,
I'm hungry.
yeah, you can have something here. We probably have to walk the other way to go that way.
Well, that's what
No, don't put your bag there.
Have to go back and
Yeah,
then go down there. I don't know what to talk. There's no, Daddy, there's
What?
no benches.
Well, you sit on the ground.
Sit on the ground. I'll sit on your seat. Sit on that.
No, you won't. Get out of here.
We'll sit on the rails.
No, I just told her not to.
Okay.
It's very loud.
Thank you.
Can we go have a walk after?
Yes. We'll walk back and then we'll go the other direction.
This looks like it's to eat.
Did you leave the breadcrumbs?
No.
Why not?
They're Hansel and Gretel. The birds will just leave and just eat it.
Oh, the birds will just eat them? My breadcrumbs! My breadcrumbs!
Where am I supposed to spit my gum?
We don't have bread, but we have bear paws.
Oh no, we're not gonna put crumbs everywhere. Yeah, you can spit your gum off the edge.
are. So we can find our way back. Actually, arrows are better.
I don't know.
Because Grace already scares the birds. Watch out, there's roots. Whoa, whoa, there's roots. Careful. This is probably as far as we can go. We're under the bird observatory.
I'm getting scared because of spiders. I'm freaked out because of spiders.
Oh, I don't think we want to walk through that. I'm not a hobbit. I can't get through there. Ah.
Daddy, if you want to survive, follow me.
All right, let's start heading back and then we can go down the other fork. Fork. Oh, fork almost just fell. Ow, I just got poked in the head with a branch too. I'm not even paying attention.
You okay?
Right?
Survived out. No, Avon, no.
No, not through that kind of stuff. There's another fork in the road when we go back. That's an actual path. Wait. Is that our arrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta go this way.
What?
We put it. Me and Grace are smart. We put an arrow.
Well, I thought of it.
Yeah, she fought it on it.
Yeah, she fought it.
Potted. She potted.
I
You fought
wanted
it.
Hansel and Gretel.
Yeah.
Know where I got that idea from?
Where?
Hansel and Gretel.
Oh yeah.
Eat it and keep it.
Yeah, because Hansel and Gretel.
You have to get a baby and chew your face off.
No, but it has meat in it.
Hansel and Gretel, the first day, they left stones
Oh yeah.
that shine in the moonlight.
Oh. Okay. Well, I don't think I've heard that one before, but I like it.
Yeah, it's a different one.
Oh, okay. Da-na. Da-na. Are we gonna go?
Join the Survivor Club.
Off this road for a minute.
Why?
I'm not here though.
Oh yeah. But what? All right, let's go this way. I'm going this way.
Hey, we're officially going north.
That's not really a path as much as it's just there. Yeah. Gaddy.
No, we aren't going north. That's wrong.
No, that might be
No
right.
moth on the trees. Go this way.
No, it just won't grow on this side. It doesn't mean all trees grow moths.
Can you keep on going? I'm on the...
Careful, meow.
Actually, no, my hand's getting sweaty.
My hand's so sweaty. Thank you for finally letting it go.
But you're
Yeah,
still
Bala, I just saw some
following
poop.
me.
Nice.
All right, well, hurry up. How am I going to follow you if you're beside me?
Oh yeah, I just saw some poop. I
I
don't know
have
what
to
kind.
follow
It's
behind
Oh,
my
lovely.
back. Ew, I
Well, you
think
can't.
so too.
Exactly.
You can't stop like that. I'll step right on you. Step on you too. Da-na. Da-na. I don't even know.
Here, parrots. So if we are here, you want to go this way, and that. What? This way we went. So we went.
That way.
Yeah. So that way.
I'm not gonna-
Aislinn, wrong way.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, 3.
No, this is the side path. I think that's where we are.
1 minute. No, 3 says to go that way.
This way? Okay, A's, yeah, we're not going to go through there right now. Nobody's dressed properly. Come on, please. Okay, try and catch a butterfly. Da-da. Yeah, we're getting there. Dun, 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 dun. We didn't make it very far down the other path. Did we? No? We gonna go to the park? Gonna run through the splash pad? Gotta stop at home, put sunscreen on first, is that okay?
Well, can we not go down the street?
Well, where do you wanna go? Dun, dun.
Can we go to the park that had the leaf splash pad? That had the big leaf?
Which one was that? Do you know which one that was? I don't know which one that was.
Had the big spiny leaf in the splash pad?
Was that the time we went to the park we had never been at? And everyone thought the splash pad was too full? which one it is then. I don't know which one that is, hon.
We've been to it like 1,000 times.
The one, is that the one downtown?
I don't know.
Well, if you don't know the one, ask me to go there.
Lake Ontario Park?
No, it is in Ontario Park.
Well, we're gonna have to figure out which one we want to go to. 'Cause I have no idea what you're talking about.
Go somewhere new then.
Oh, we've lost 2 of them. We're pokey.
How do we find a park that we haven't been to?
I don't know.
Well, we know the name.
Whoa.
Oh.
Carol Baskin.
It's
Don't put that back in your hair, please.
This is actually
I found them. Ahoy, mateys.
Wash it
Yeah.
so I don't get headlines. I don't want to
I
get
don't think that's how that works, but okay.
What does headlights even look like?
I don't know, little weird bugs.
Tiny little white.
I've only ever seen them once.
Can you show me headlights?
On my phone when we get home, if I must.
No, thank you. The little black spots in your hair.
Well, I'm going to see them.
Okay.
I don't have headlights.
So much sugar.
Maybe it's because you eat bugs.
I don't eat bugs.
I didn't say you.
My
I
face
said
is
er.
itchy.
Your face is itchy? Where your head?
How can my face go on poison ivy?
You touch your leg, you touch your face, now you got poison ivy on your face?
Yep.
Let's just
We're done
go that
anyways.
way.
We're done anyways.
No.
Why?
We're back.
Kids don't live in grass.
Alright, we're all done hiking, so we're going to the splash pad. Get out of here, Aislinn.
Look at Aislinn's beautiful face.
Hello, beautiful. Can you stop doing that? Kids are jerks. You're all jerks.
I'm a jerk.
Especially, where's
I'm
that little
not.
jerk? That
I've
little jerk
been
back
good.
there, jerk. Anyway, so that's it for hiking. We're going to the splash pad. Peace!
My face.
Peace.
Peace. Peace. Peace. My
My
face.
Oh,